This video will show you how to make your modern Android phones even faster and responsive using simple but clever optimization techniques. So let's get started. Step 1. RAM expansion. RAM expansion or RAM Plus is a feature that uses a portion of your phone's internal storage as virtual RAM. On paper, it sounds great, but in reality, it can slow things down because real RAM is much faster. If your phone already has 6GB or more RAM, I recommend turning this feature off. This can help your apps launch faster and make your phone feel snappier and more responsive. To disable it, go to Settings and search for RAM. Look through the result until you find RAM Plus or RAM expansion. On this device, it's called RAM expansion, but on your phone, it might be RAM Plus. Once you opened it, simply turn it off. On some phones, it may ask you to restart the device. If that's the case, just do it. Step 2. Developer options. Go to Settings, scroll all the way down and tap on About Phone. Once you're inside, look for build number or version number. It may vary slightly depending on your phone model or Android version. This is a OnePlus device running Android 16 and the setting we are looking for is inside version submenu. As you can see, it is labeled as version number instead of build number. The point is that the name may vary depending on the manufacturer. Once you find either build number or version number, tap on it 7 times continuously to enable developer options. Your phone will ask for your device PIN or password to confirm. Enter it to proceed. After that, developer options will be enabled. Now go back to the main Android settings page and look for developer options. It's usually located near the bottom of the main Android settings page, or sometimes inside the System and Updates menu like here. Scroll through and the first thing you need to find here is Animation Scale settings. And there must be at least 3 of them: Windows Animation Scale, Transition Animation Scale, and Animation Duration Scale. As you can see, all of them are defaulted to 1x speed. And we will have to change it to 0.5x. So go to each of these options and set them to 0.5x. Setting them to 0.5x speed makes the phone feel faster and more responsive. Step 3. Storage cleaning. Search for files in your app search. Once you're inside, tap on the 3-line menu. Then tap Clean and tap on the Clean button under the Junk File section. You will see this pop up. Just hit Clear to delete the junk files. Don't worry, it's just temporary files. Step 4. Uninstall unwanted apps. I don't recommend going through your apps one by one and uninstalling them manually. It's painfully slow and frustrating. Instead, I will show you how to select multiple apps and uninstall them all at once. Go to your Google Play Store, tap on your profile icon. Now go to Manage Apps and Device menu. Browse through the list and select all the unwanted or rarely used apps and games. Take your time and choose carefully. Once you're done, touch on the delete icon, a pop-up will appear, just tap uninstall from here. And just like that, all your unwanted apps and games are gone, freeing up space and helping your device run smoother and faster. Now let's give the device a proper system restart. And that's how you can optimize your Android device. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon with another one.